Welcome to yet another video from Jimbo. In this video, let us quickly unbox the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch, which was recently launched in India for 13,990 rupees. This has an AMOLED display, which also comes with additional features like SpO2 sensor, sleep tracking, stress tracking, female cycle monitor, and it also offers over 150 sports modes along with support for GPS. Another highlight of this smartwatch is that it also comes with pre-built Alexa. As you can see in the box, we have three major components. The watch itself, then we have a cable again. Amazfit continues to use a custom charging cable to charge the Amazfit watch, and then we have the user manual, which should be helpful for users who are new into the smartwatches. Again, the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch can be used with both Android and iOS devices using the Zep application that will be available on the App Store.